Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Dodge Dart. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a 13mm wrench for the drain plug, a new oil filter, and about 5 to 5.5 quarts of fresh, full synthetic 0W20 oil. Always consult your owner's manual for exact specifications for your specific engine. Safety is paramount, so ensure your car is securely lifted and stable. Now, let's get that old oil out. Find the oil drain plug underneath your vehicle. It's usually a 14mm by 1.5 thread. Position your drain pan directly below it. Using a 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old, dirty oil flow completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean and effective oil change. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh lubricant. Remove the old oil filter, being careful not to spill any remaining oil. Take your new filter, often a cartridge type, and lightly coat its rubber gasket with a bit of new oil. Install the new filter by hand until it's snug. Then, pour in approximately 5 to 5.5 quarts of the correct 0W20 full synthetic oil. Almost done, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's tight. Start your engine and let it run for about 15 seconds, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Now, check your oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, to reset the oil change reminder, turn the ignition to run and fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.